It was so bad. I remember I was in that room with Dr. G, and he pulls up my spine, and I just start hysterically laughing. I go, sexy. Like, what is that crooked spine? It's scary because, you know, I felt, you know, okay for the most part. It was a mess. Ooh. Ah.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh. Ah.
That moved good today.
That was a good one. I oddly enjoyed the traction. This part really freaks me out. I'm like, oh my gosh, I look like a piece of meat on a hanger. But it's actually really nice and it's kind of soothing. I believe I've been coming here for about 4 weeks now.
Nice and slow.
I never really had any discomfort until I started feeling that pain in my right side. But like I said, I thought it was just a knot. But, you know, I thought nothing was really wrong. And, you know, I heard people say they have scoliosis. I thought, you know, everyone has it. You don't have to fix it. And then turns out you do. It's just like neck pain and like a pinched nerve feeling in my shoulder blade. For a while, I thought I just pulled a muscle because I like to exercise. And then realized that it was a lot more than I thought it was. That pinching sensation lasted for months. And I've tried everything, rolling on tennis balls and massages and every yoga class you can think of, and nothing was helping.